Hello, I'm Vicki Laura with Modern Jewelry Creators. Thank you for selecting this video. This is the last video in my short series of holiday jewelry designs for 2022 that we're going to share with you. And this one, I wanted to share these two bracelets that I shared last year around this time, and did a short tutorial on how to make the crystal garland bracelet and also the little crystal gift box bracelet as well. But I wanted to do this short video to kind of show the colors that are available for this year, and there are a few little updates to them, and then give a quick refresh on the other jewelry kits that are available for holiday 2022. Again, depending on when you're watching this, I will leave links below to previous videos and to all of our kits. And for more fabulous jewelry, I hope you will like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I have on both the gold samples. I'm just, around the holidays, I'm a gold girl, I think. But this is a crystal garland bracelet. She's so pretty. It's also available in silver, more of this candy cane, red, white, motif, I think. It's so pretty. It really is just a gorgeous piece. And like I've shared in other videos, all of these can be also made, into a necklace. And so this would be just a stunning, it almost looks like a rope of crystal as a necklace. You know what I mean? Like, it's so elegant, so gorgeous. So that is, while supplies last, all these are limited quantities, of course, for the season. But while it's available, it is available in the red and green, gold, kind of Christmas wreath color story, and this red and white candy cane color story in silver. Then the crystal gift boxes, I've also called it crystal windows before too, but at the holidays, I think they just look like little crystal gift boxes, right? Like, so pretty. I love it. And the gold is my favorite. We do have it also in silver. And so the silver, I do them all in opal crystals for the silver one. Though, of course, you could do it any way you wanted. But the silver comes with all the opal crystals, and then the gold one comes with all like the holiday or jewel tone colors. And what's new this year is that there's enough in the kit to do earrings, to do matching earrings. So, and of course, it's very easy. Once you've made up the little components, the little gift boxes, then you could do a couple more to just add the ear wire to them. Right? So if it's not apparent when we make these, you know what? Let me tip the camera down because you just love that roller coaster ride every video, huh? But it'd be a little easier to explain it. So let's go for one last ride for Christmas. Right, so on the crystal gift boxes, right, you make each of all these little components up yourself. You get the little rhinestone cabochon, name is escaping me for a minute, but you get the little rhinestone piece, and then we use 4mm crystals, and we make each of the little components individually, right? And then once they're made, I use this beautiful textured oval ring in between each one, right? That just matches it gorgeous. It's just really, really beautiful. And then I do 2 of them as an earring. And you could also, with this earring, even dangle something, below it too, if you wanted more of a statement. And this would make a stunning collar necklace. And so here's the silver, and I do them all in the square now, and not the round. The round is just I had before. Here's the silver in the earring, right? So pretty. And then the crystal garland, just to be real quick, is a weave, right? So we use just 2 different colors of crystals, or you could use all the same color if you were doing it yourself. And I'm using a 5mm textured Rolo chain in there, and then a weave. And like I said, in the previous videos from last year for both of these, it shows the exact technique. That's why I'm not going to do them here, but I will link them below, and you can definitely run and or click on them and check them out to see more information about how they are made. Okay, so that's all. I'm gonna just clip it back up real quick. Sorry. I want to do this one as a necklace. I just think it's so pretty. I mean, it's not great with the snowflake, but so pretty. So it just needs to be a little longer, and then I would do a chain on the end, right? I just love it. And I'm doing magnet clasps with these with all the kits because I just think it goes beautifully with them. Our magnet clasps are very high quality and hold really well. But if you don't like them, it's easy, of course, to swap it out. You can also do a safety chain on them. We do that often if you're concerned about losing it or grabbing on filing cabinet or something like that and rolling away. It might happen. So our crystal gift boxes and the crystal garland bracelet, and the other ones that we did were a little hollyberry bracelet and the sterling or sparkling snowflakes, and our Christmas holiday palette in the precious palettes and the crystal mixes. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Maybe just the pendant. I don't know. That's it. It's a lot, but it's gorgeous. They're all beautiful. And all our orders ship within 1 or 2 business days. It's free shipping with all orders over $35. And so as of right now, there's still plenty of time to get your kits and rock these gorgeous looks for your holiday festivities. Otherwise, these are just great, timeless designs that will look great, not just during the holidays, but all year round. Right. So thank you so much for joining me during this series of sharing these designs. I am pretty sure I'm going to put out a few other ones for New Year's as well. But have a wonderful holiday season. And until we connect again, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Mwah! Peace.